I am on page 6. Okay. Okay. So obviously, a 2 by 2, a 3 by 3 that you can use the calculator if you want, or you can use substitution combined with elimination. It's up to you. So these are linear. A 2 by 2 nonlinear. What else? A word problem with a 2 by 2, not a 3 by 3. System of inequalities. What else? Factorial. Sequences. Summation notation. What else? And Gauss-Jordan. There is nothing else. 9 problems plus an extra credit. And 2 hours. Should have plenty of time to finish and get an A on this test. Okay, so what would you like us to start with? Is anyone with me?
Can we do a word problem 2 by 2?
Yes, of course. So, word problem with a 2 by 2. I'm looking in the book for the page number. The page number is 557. Very good. Okay. Okay, let's look at 43. So this is number 1. Okay, the sum of 2 numbers is 7. How do I write that? The sum of 2 numbers is 7.
X plus y equals 7.
That's it. As you know, each sentence gives us an equation. Let's read on. If one number is subtracted from the other, their difference is -1. If one number is subtracted from the other, their difference is -1.
Is that just x minus y equals 1?
That's
negative
it.
1?
-1. Yes, exactly. Good. 2x equals 6, x equals 3. If x is 3, y must be 4. And you should always go back and check. Good. Next topic, next question. Okay, let's choose the next one, please.
Can we do system of inequalities?
Yes, of course. And those are, I'm looking at the page numbers. And that is 602. Good. Let's choose. If not, I will. I don't remember exactly which problems we looked at. I think I remember we did 49, for example.
Can we work on 40?
Yes. Very good. Awesome. Let's work on 40. 40, 4x minus 5y greater than or equal to negative 20. And x greater than or equal to negative 3. Very good. Good. Okay, so first I have to graph 4x minus 5 equals negative 20. When x is 0, y is 4, so 0, 4. When y is 0, x is negative 5. So negative 5, 0. Negative 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 0, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. Solid? Yes. I managed to miss a tiny bit both of them. So 4x minus 5y equals negative 20. This is what I graphed, just a line. I did not graph the inequality yet. I see that it divides the plane into two regions, above and below. 0 is below, so I'm checking this territory. 0, 0 greater than negative 20? Yes, it is. Yeah. So I have to choose it. So this is 4x minus 5y greater than or equal to negative 20. The next one is simple. It's x equals negative 3, which is a vertical line at negative 3. This. And stop. Solid? Yes. This is x equals negative 3. It divides the plane into two pieces. This to the right and this to the left. It says greater than or equal to negative 3. Okay. X greater than or equal to negative 3. That's the territory. Now I have to intersect green with black. Do they overlap? Yes, they do. All this line, and everything in between. What is this? Both, which is the solution of the system. It was a nice pick. Good, thank you. Good. Anything else we want to look at?
Can we do another one of those, but with a circle?
Yeah. Yeah, well, 53. In 53 we have x squared plus y squared less than or equal to 1, and y minus x squared greater than 0. Good. So the first equation is x squared plus y squared equals 1. We know it's a circle centered at the origin with a radius of 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. Solid? Yes. It divides the plane into two regions, the inner and the outer. I'm checking the inner because the origin is inside. 0, 0 less than or equal to 1. Yes, yes, yes. True. Okay. Then, so this inside here is x squared plus y squared less than or equal to 1. All the points, including points on the circle. The other one is y minus x squared equals 0, or y equals x squared. I've graphed this one so many times, I know what it is. It's a parabola opening up, centered at the origin. Stop? Solid? No. So this is y equals x squared. Good. It divides the plane into two regions, but I cannot choose the origin to check because it passes through the origin. But I can pick this point, 0, 10. 0, 10. Is 10 greater than or equal greater than 0? Yes, of course. Now for the system, I am forced to find the intersection. The intersection of this with the green territory is this piece here, which is not points on the parabola, but yes, points on the circle and everything else in between. What does this mean? Both. Or if you want, the system. Solutions of the system. Good. Next question.
We do the nonlinear equation.
This one, the 2 by 2, the system. Okay, yeah. Okay, these are in 5.2. No, in 5.4. Sorry. Okay, this is page 589. Good. Anything?
Can we do a substitution first and then an addition?
Yeah. Yeah.
Can we do 10 first?
Yeah. Good. So xy equals negative 12 and x minus 2y plus 14 equals 0. Good. Can you see the time over there? Oh, yeah, perfect. Good. Excellent. What will I substitute? And from which equation? I have to solve an equation for a variable, and then I have to substitute it in the other equation. What do you think?
Could we say x equals 2y minus 14?
Yes, of course. I just need more paper. Just make sure. Perfect. Yes, indeed. So from here, I'll say x equals 2y minus 14 and replace it in here, making sure that I'm multiplying by y. So let's copy it first. 2y minus 14 multiplied by y equals negative 12. Okay, perfect. So 2y squared minus 14y plus 12 equals 0. You can use the apps, but this is too easy and you have to divide both sides by 2 to simplify it. It's a must. We know that already. We always have to try to simplify. So y squared minus 7y plus 6. Yes, you can use the apps, but this is way too easy to do that. But it's up to you. Should you check? Yeah, of course. So what do you think?
Y minus 6, y minus 1.
Of course. So we have y equals 1 and y equals 6. This is good, but it's not good enough. We have to find the corresponding x. So 2 times 1 is 2 minus 14, negative 12. 2 times 6 is 12 minus 14 is negative 2. This is our claim. Negative 12, 1, and negative 2, 6. Do they work? I have no clue, and I'm not just saying it. I have no clue. I have to go back and check. So, negative 12, 1. Negative 12, 1. Negative 12, 1. Negative 12 times 1, yes. Negative 12 minus 2 is negative 14 plus 14 is 0. I'll say yes to the first one. Negative 2, 6. Negative 2, 6. Negative 2, 6. Negative 2 times 6 is negative 12. Negative 2 minus 12, negative 14 plus 14. Yes, yes. Any questions on this system? Okay, let's look at the elimination, also called adding.
Do you 25?
Yes, 25, I see it. I think we didn't do 25, but even if we did, we can do it again. It's okay. So x squared plus y squared equals 25, and x minus 8, everything squared, plus y squared equals 41. I think we did, but maybe not. No, it was 26. Yeah, it was similar with 41 and some stuff, but yeah, it's a different one. Good, good pick. Good. What would you recommend? Any suggestions here?